kid is 15 years old, but he is an investor with $20 million. And he did all of that from the bathroom of his high school.
Hey Nas Daily, my name is Eric and this is my story.
How is this possible? Who gave him the money? And why is there a toilet in his living room? Eric was just a normal kid from the middle of nowhere in Indiana. At age 12, he didn't even have a computer.
My parents are really strict, so they didn't want me to have social media when I was young, other than YouTube.
And when he got his first personal computer, he did something smart.
I hacked my way into success.
He joined hundreds of online communities on Discord and started spamming them looking for a job.
I built a brand saying that I was this like really good 13-year-old coder, and a lot of people in San Francisco wanted some of that. So
you got a job?
Yes, so I got a job from it.
Then he wanted to get the attention of CEOs of startups. So he went to Twitter and started posting many tweets. And guess what? It worked.
I tried to figure out how to go viral on Twitter and get the attentions of CEOs and executives.
And did it work?
Yeah, and it worked really well. I got a couple of viral tweets and even got noticed by people like Mr. Beast and Elon Musk.
Then he started to guess people's emails and their Google calendars.
A lot of their Twitter usernames are correlated to their emails. So what I did was I wrote a scraper to basically get the Twitter usernames and put it behind emails and schedule meetings with them.
And did they respond?
Yeah, and they responded because they saw a 13-year-old on their calendar and they were like, how can I not take this call?
Who did you meet for? Did you meet investors this way?
Yeah, I met the founder of GitHub. They wrote a check to us. They were one of our first investors.
Insane. And when investors said yes to meeting him, he took the meeting in his high school bathroom because he had nowhere else to go during business hours.
And after doing so many meetings in this high school bathroom, I got banned from my principal from using the restroom during school hours.
You get banned from using the restroom?
Yeah.
That's why now he has a bathroom in the middle of his living room to remind him of these days. Why do you have a toilet in your living room?
Because one of my investors shipped it to me and he thought it would be funny.
Slowly but surely, this 15-year-old kid became famous in San Francisco even though he doesn't even live here. And 3 years later, he turned 15 and raised a venture capital fund with his friend that's worth $20 million to invest in other startups. And he's even starting his own company with his friends, who are also very young.
I'm 19 years old and I'm the CTO.
I'm 19 years old and I'm the COO.
I'm 15 years old and I'm the CEO. Don't let age be a number that prevents you from accomplishing things. Age, at the end of the day, is just a number.
And what about university?
I'm probably gonna go to university, but for a few days, because my mom is Asian.
And are you gonna drop out after?
Cannot confirm or deny. Yes.
This kid is inspiring, not because he raised $20 million, but because he hacked his way to success. Hacked Discord, Twitter, and Google calendars just to be noticed. Success does not come on a silver spoon. It comes from consistent hard work and from taking secret meetings in the high school bathroom.